Got a 1970 F100. I just wired up the steering wheel in it. I just put this in there. Got old 3-speed in here, 400 motor. And I wired it all up because it didn't come with the diagram. But I got it all wired up correctly. That wire right there hanging, that goes to the tech over there. And like I say, it's not done. It's getting all this stuff right here was done. All the paint job, customize the fuel tank, everything. Man, this your boy Boss Man. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. And I'm out. Ring that bell.